Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the Honeywell PopUP air filter. It can be installed in any Honeywell furnace mount air cleaner, either electronic or media style. The first thing you need to do is turn the power off to the furnace and air cleaner. Now we'll remove the door. First thing you need to do is remove both cells. And the second collector cell. Now we'll remove the pre-filters. This particular model has post filters in it, so we'll remove them. Now we're going to save all of those components just in case we want to convert this unit back to an electronic air cleaner. To remove this cell key, simply take a Phillips screwdriver, insert it into the socket, back out the screw, and now you have the cell key removed. It is now ready to install the Honeywell PopUP filter. Okay, let's take the PopUP filter out of the box. It is an accordion pleated filter, and it will self-assemble. So we drag it out of the box. Lift up, and it springs into position. All done. Now let's install the PopUP filter inside of this air cleaner. This particular air cleaner is an electronic air cleaner, so it has an electronic power head on top of it. Now, we want to put it in where the arrow right here is facing towards the furnace. That's pointing the direction of the airflow, which is this way towards the furnace. So we're going to slide this in. You want to be careful because there's some cardboard here that may hit the opening. There it is. Now it's installed. And all we have to do now is put the door on. Now, this filter needs to be replaced twice a year if you have heating and air conditioning, only once a year if you only have heating or only have cooling. Now, if you have just heating or cooling, but you have a bunch of cats running around the house or hairy dogs, you might want to replace this more often, so you may want to go to twice a year for that. I'll put the door back on. You'll want to leave the power switch on this particular air cleaner in the off position, but you can turn the power on in the furnace. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.